Hey, honey, we're home.
Hi, honey, I'm home. Welcome to cabin 2576 Ocean View, deck 2 on the Fabulous. I heard the cruise director call it the Vision of the Seas.
Vision. Vision of the sea.
Approximately enough room for someone's feet,
Approximately.
as long as they hold them the right way. Cute little double windows. Everything the same as when we were last in this cabin 14 months ago. So let me show you around. The water's optional, pay for that. Got a light on both sides of the bed and a little nightstand, but no pluggies. Some art. Even more art.
Yep.
The mandatory, we'll call it a love seat. So I think it's a bed if you're hard enough up for it. Full length mirror, television, storage, safe of course, and this is the part I wanted to show you. Oh, we have 2 US outlets. I thought there was only one.
They lied.
And 2 European ones also, which I came prepared to use one of them. I didn't realize there were 2.
Splendid.
There's the, I'm going to shoot around you, even though it's difficult. There's the telephone we're never going to use. Over here we got volume control. I'm not sure if that does anything.
Never did before.
Speaking of not doing anything, here's the thermostat. Let's go in here, shall we? This the fabulous standard Vision of the Seas bathroom, at least for an ocean view. Yep, it's a curtain. It's not a great curtain. Don't love it. Single hair and body wash is included. Don't rush to flush. Toilet paper only. Let's conserve together. Many little cubbies. Many are the cubbies that you get. Cutest little sink, huh? Some lovely Salt and Breeze soap. Bottle opener.
Hey, hon, you're doing a good job.
I'm not sure if she means that. Close. Leaf vests. Small number of hangers. Oh, there's enough hangers. It's I still believe this to be the most adequate of rooms. No fridge, by the way, or anything similar.
You know, we had an ocean view room for the first time on that cruise, and we've always had a balcony, and it occurred to us that we don't always use the balcony very much, so we thought we'd try an ocean view room, and it turned out great. It was perfectly fine. Plenty of storage. For an older ship, I think the Vision of the Seas is in remarkable shape, and the crew is stellar.
The room was slightly larger than our combined dimensions. There was enough room, if we were careful, for one of us to use the mirror or sit on the little couchy thing or change the TV, but we couldn't both do it at the same time. There wasn't that kind of room. You could walk around the bed. The king combined bed had space on the side just about the size of my feet, so I could carefully edge my way around the bed in the middle of the night or in the morning or whatever. But it was fine. It was great. Everything worked. There were no weird smells. There were no weird noises. By the way, we liked our ocean view room last time so much, we got the exact same room again.
Yeah, why not? Get the room that you know is good.
Fine. Hopefully nobody screwed it up in the last year, and
I hope not.
It's still wondrous. Or maybe it got haunted. Maybe there's ghosts in it or something.
Oh golly.
I hope not. Well, please like and subscribe our channel.
That's where I'm at right now. There's a lot of storage in here.
So much storage.
There's the drawers and cupboards and
cubbies
and
hidey
closets.
holes.
So my and so we were very comfortable here.
Mm-hmm.
It worked out just fine.
Mm-hmm. We didn't spend a lot of extra time in the room.
No, and as much as I love a balcony, I didn't miss it that much. We're going on.
We can see the ocean.
We're going on a cruise in March at Holland America, and we have like a junior suite, and wow, that's gonna seem
it's gonna be
enormous compared to this.
I never realized how luxurious that was before.
Yeah, and this, in order to take more cruises, I would select this room every time, and clean and and our stateroom attendant has been fantastic.
Edison. Ask for Edison.
Yeah, he's wonderful.
We're on the second floor, the lowest passenger floor, I believe. Lowest deck floor. And it's nice and close to the water, so the window view, which we've never had before, you really do get to see the seas pretty close up.
We couldn't hear anything except, unless people were in the hallway.
Yep.
We couldn't hear a thing.
Nice
It's very
and
quiet, and you really can't feel, when it gets boaty, when it gets.
Yeah, we're fairly central, close to the main elevators, and low in the profile of the ship, so not as boaty here as it is everywhere else. And 2576, should it ever come up again, because we couldn't find anyone who reviewed it, it's a fine room. Bye for now. From here at the Crow's Nest, check out the water behind us, where the X today stands for
Exciting view.
Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve.